We have the WeCreat Vision, and our friends at Great Carve saw our videos and said, let us send you some of this acrylic, specially made for 20 to 40 watt lasers. We said, yeah, we'll take a look at this. And also, they sent their two-tone leather as well. They include some paperwork that shows you exactly how much power and speed you need to cut through and show some really cool things. I mean, it's amazing the number of colors of leather that they sent us. And when you engrave in these, you can see another color pops up underneath. This is really cool. It's like a two-tone thing. Great for luggage, for earrings, whatever you want to make, for hats. So many options. And then there's the acrylic, and they also have the cheat sheets for power and speed here. We ran our own array/matrix just to make sure that what we were looking at is what they were seeing there. But look at the metals on them. I mean, it looks like legitimate metal, and stuff is cuttable acrylic. We were able to cut this with our 20-watt WeCreat Vision. And look at the wide assortment of colors in here. All this is two-tone, so the front and the back, whatever you kind of engrave through, you're going to see that color pop through on the back. And it's so much easier than painting, and it creates an amazing effect. And again, you can cut each and every one of these too. You might not be able to use autofocus, so you may have to set it for 3mm acrylic manually, but then you could cut right through this thing seamlessly and quickly. I was really blown away. And look at this gold. I mean, it looks like a legitimate gold piece of metal. This is really going to up our engraving game. We'll be able to sell this stuff that looks like metal for all kinds of room tags, name tags. And so here's our 20-watt WeCreat Vision. And we were able to engrave in here. We did the test array first. And no problem whatsoever. We didn't have to tape it down. You can tape it down. It takes a little bit of the roughness on the outsides. You don't have to clean it later. And there she is, right through it. Did that beautiful tester. I actually stopped it early because that was all I needed to see, is exactly how dark I needed to cut it. And it cut right through that. Look at that. And you can see you can have different effects. So you could do some grayscale photographic and graphic things with it too, which is kind of neat. So we made this little tag for our laser room. And look how cool this is. Cut right through it seamlessly. It just fell apart like butter. Unbelievable that you can actually cut acrylic, colored acrylic, with this machine. So we clean this up a little bit, and we've got ourselves a beautiful tag we can put on our door. This stuff is next level. We've tried a bunch of different colors and a bunch of different patterns, and we'll show you some of these in a future video, so make sure you subscribe.